Okay, systems of equations with graphing. All right, so we need to graph both these systems, and we got to figure out what is the solution to this system. And now we talked about this a little bit on the paper assignment we did the other day. What we're looking for is when the graph crosses, wherever they cross, that is the solution. All right, so before we get there, we need to set up both of these equations in slope-intercept form so we can easily graph it. So I'm going to do that now. Get in slope-intercept form, then we'll graph them, then we'll find the solution. So this first one, negative 7x minus 2y equals 14. We want the y by itself. Okay, right here. So the first thing we're going to do that is add 7x to both sides. Put it right there. So that cancels that off. And then we divide by negative 2. Now our y is by itself. I'm going to put my x value first. So we get negative 7 over 2x. And then 14 divided by negative 2 is negative 7. Now let's do this one down here. So we have 6x plus 6y equals 18. Subtract 6x from both sides. So 6y equals negative 6x plus 18. And then lastly, divide by 6. So y is equal to negative 6 over 6 is negative 1. And 18 divided by 6 is 3. So now we have our two equations in slope-intercept form. Let's go graph them. So it's a little tricky. Let's see here. We have a blue and a pink line. It doesn't say which one has to be which. So I'll do the blue one with my first one. So we have negative 7 over 2 minus 7. Let's see here. I'm going to try and fix this. Okay, that should work a little better, I think. Yeah, okay. Oops. Oh no, what happened? Oh. Okay, I think I got it fixed. All right, so let's graph this one first. We'll do this one in pink, just because it's down here. That is my y-intercept, negative 7 right here. Yep. Now we're going to do, so our slope is negative 7 over 2. So remember, that means, so we're going to rise over run, right? This is not working again. Okay, I got it. So rise. Now, rise over run. Rise negative 7, run 2. If you look at the graph over here, we can't rise down negative 7 units because we're right at the bottom of the graph. So, instead, we're going to put that negative sign underneath. So we'll rise up 7 units. So from negative 7 up to 0, right? And then we're going to run negative 2 backwards. So there's that one. Now the other one, our equation is here. So our y-intercept is positive 3. And our slope is negative 1 over 1. So rise down 1 and then run 1. Where does our graph intersect? Well, it intersects. I can't draw it, unfortunately. It intersects at negative 4, comma 7. So, negative 4, comma 7. Okay. Do at least one more together here. Oh, they're actually already in slope-intercept form. So we don't have to do anything else. That is helpful. All right, so let's plot the first one. 2x plus 3. So there's my y-intercept. My slope is 2 over 1, so up 2 over 1. My other one, still same y-intercept at positive 3, but we're rising down 3 and running 1. Well, where is our intersection? It is right there at 0, 3. 0, 3. Okay, here we go. One more where they want us to do extra work. So let's get into slope-intercept form first. Okay, so 2x plus 3y equals 6. Let's subtract the 2x first. And divide by 3. So y is by itself. Let's simplify and put the x first. Negative 2/3 x plus 6. So that is that one. I'll do this one in a different color. Do it in dark green. So negative 4x plus 3y equals 12. Add 4x. Cancel, cancel. And divide by 3. So y is by itself. Put the x first, so it's 4x over 3. We can't simplify that. 12 divided by 3 is 4. All right. Now, let's graph them. Okay. So the first one, plus 6. And then our slope is down 2, run 3. So down 2, 1, 2, and 3. Our other one is positive 4. And our slope is up 4 over 3. Well, we can't go up 4. So what we can do is make these both negative. So down 4, backwards 3. So up to 4, we're going to go down 4 units, and then back 3 units. All right, well this time, our graph crosses up here. You can see where it crosses. I can't mark it on here, unfortunately. But it's not at a whole number. It is at x equals 1, right? You can see that. All right, that's interesting. We don't have an x equals 1. Okay, I made a mistake. I figured it out. It's over here. I didn't put it in slope-intercept form correctly. 6 divided by 3 is not 6. It is 2. So we got to move that first graph. We're actually down here at 2. And our slope is still down 2 over 3. Okay? Similar issue, actually. We don't intersect at a whole number. But this time we can see our x value is negative 1. So it's either A or B. How high up do we go? We go up to 2, between 2 and 3. Well, that means it's B. 2 and 2/3 looks like it's between 2 and 3. There you go. Okay, let's do one more really quickly together, just for more practice for you all. Let's see here, where did that go? There it is. Okay. So the first one, 8x minus 4y equals 16. Subtract 8x. And then divide, that's gone, then divide by negative 4. So y equals negative 8 divided by negative 4 is 2. X, and 16 divided by negative 4 is negative 4. And this one is next. It's really the exact same thing. If you look at this, the only thing we're not doing is instead of dividing by negative 4, we're dividing by a positive 4. See, that's the only thing different here. So I'm going to kind of jump a step here. We get negative 2x plus 4. So it just changes the negative signs. Okay? Now let's go graph these. Well, there's one right there. So negative 2x plus 4. So our y-intercept is positive 4. Down 2, run 1. And then this was positive 2x minus 4. So we're already at minus 4 here. What was it? Positive 2x. So up 2 over 1. And we cross right at 2, 0.